Well, it's been a while since I made a video. I've been busy with a lot of projects, a lot of coding actually. I've been making a couple apps for the Play Store, and there's actually one that I'm releasing myself. It's called Wobble. You'll see a video about that posted in the future too. You guys get it. You've got a lot of stuff going on too. You can't always be a rock star. You can't always post videos. You can't always stay on schedule. It's not an excuse, but going forward in the future, I'm going to make the hardest effort to post one video every week. So yeah, on that same track, Unity 3D, which is incredible. GameMaker is still cool, but Unity has a lot of advantages that GameMaker doesn't, so it has a place in my heart now. Also, I've been learning React Native. That's it. I couldn't remember the name. Wow, that's sad. But yeah, React Native. It's a brilliant, brilliant language created by Facebook, and it's gaining a lot of popularity, and it is so much fun to work with. So you might see some videos about that too. This is like the third time you're recording this. I'm so bad at making this stuff. I have to record things like 8 times. Our cat kind of interrupted the last one. This is what happened. Bailey's kind of cute, huh? You good? Oh my. So that was kind of funny, dude. I was like, what? I was like, I got that on video. Yes. I wish I had a dog. Save me. I will be starting a Unity series, though, that goes into Unity and just basics in that, because when I first started out, it was very difficult to just grasp how to do simple things like make an object face another object, or how to rotate the object. Things like that were really just strangely difficult, whereas in GameMaker, they were extremely simple and straightforward and made sense. But besides that, follow my channel, follow more of my videos if you want to. You know, you can click down below